So welcome back. Now we can actually list all the customers, but I also want to be able to add all customers. So we'll remove this console line right here and actually instead say add customers like this, put in the parentheses, and now we have a command ready to be created. You can press the small lamp out here, control dot or whatever you want to do, and then I just want it to auto-generate the method for me. There we go. Now if I scroll down, here's the new method, and there's a not implemented exception if I do not change this. So if I try to run now, I would actually get an exception, just warning me that you didn't implement anything. So let's do that instead. Let's make a console write line here, CW, double tap, and there we go, console write line. What I want to do here is I want to ask for first name for the customer, first name, like this. Okay, I'll do another here where I will get that first name as a variable, and I'll do that using a console read line, like this. There we go. Let's just copy this. Because I want to do this for first name, last name, and the last thing I want to do it for last name, first name. The last thing I want to do it for is address. So this is how it will look when we're asking 3 questions. And now what we can do is actually pretty much just create a user from this. So what we'll do is we'll use our customers list. We'll add a new customer to that list, like this, and there we'll make a new customer, just like we talked about earlier. I'll put in the curly brackets in the end. I'll say first name, there we go, that's equal the first name variable we just created. And let's just put this on multiple lines. That's the way I like doing it, and I think that's what I've seen most Microsoft programs doing as well. So I'll do this, I'll put in the line here, I'll make a comma, I'll do last name equals, notice what I just did there was pretty much just comma, go to new line, control space, and it'll help me figure out what else is in there. And address, there we go, whoops, don't need a semicolon, there we go. Now we've actually added the customer right here. We're not using IDs or anything like that yet, so we can use the same name again and again if we want to, and the memory is cleared every time we reset the program. But let's see if we can actually add a customer right now to our program. Let's try and run our application again. There we go. So we're going to say to add a customer, first name Gundi, last name Bindo, address Gubni Blubkadip Tutut Bink, and we'll list the customers. And now we also have Gundi Bindo with the address of so there we go. We actually have this available as well. And yes, there's a lot of things that we can do wrong right now with the program, but let's not worry about that yet. Now you guys actually also have an add customer available. We can keep working on that. See you next time.